achieved.
Sorry for party rocking. Yeah, I be up in the party, looking for a hottie to bone. I got a drink in my hand, and they just call Buffalo. Popping bottles in a house with models in the VIP.
Ultra kill.
All the girls make out for the whole damn club to see. Let's go. People always say that my music's loud. Sorry for party rocking. Neighbors complain, say turn it down. Sorry for party rocking. Haters don't like we got the spotlight. Sorry for party rocking. When they talk shit, we just be lying. Sorry for party rocking. Baby, 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 I'm off the
Triple kill.
So rock off a Patron, shit, whatever's tasty. We don't got no manners. Hanging off the rafters. Let's go drink a drink, $100 you won't outlast us. Check my style, take a good look, I'm fresh, bitch. In my whip with the music so loud, I'm deaf, bitch. Getting brain at a red light with people watching. Sorry for party rocking. If you show up already toe up, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if you're blacked out with your sack out, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if you throw up in your hose cup, this is what you say. Sorry for party rocking. And if she has a hissy fit, cause you're whiskey dick, this is what you say. Sorry for
Triple kill. Ultra kill.
Step in the club, sipping bub, really drunk, and I see a fat booty.